Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm Racnna Beauty. This video is about a beautiful makeup transformation. If you're interested and excited, please let's get started. Using a spoolie to brush up my brows, in this video we are starting off with my brows, then followed by the eyes, then the face. Then we are good to go. Using a brow pencil from Davis Cosmetics. In creating your brows, you need to strike a line at the bottom of your brow hair, then strike another line at the top of your brow hair, then you fill it in like so. Using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to clean up my brows like so. Using Tara Cosmetics eyeshadow base for my eyes before I apply my eyeshadows. In this video, we are doing a soft makeup transformation. So I'm using this Jacklyn Morphe eyeshadow palette for my eye. I'm going for a transitioning shade with that color showing right there. Then using that dark wine color with dark brown for my outer V to smoky that part out. Then after blending everything all together, I'm going to go for a dark shade to intensify that outer V. I don't know if that makes sense. Then I'm going to blend everything all out to erase any harsh lines using that white shade for my inner corner. In this video, I'm using all matte. All the eyeshadow I've been using are matte. So I want a soft makeup glam in this video. I already applied my first lashes off camera, so I'm going for my face right now. I'm using Classic Makeup Mattifying Face Primer for my base before applying my foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. But before that, I'm going to blend this primer out with my brush. Please guys, excuse my mirror here in this video. Something went wrong while filming, so I broke my mirror. I had to use this awkward mirror to complete this video. So I'm sorry guys. So applying my foundation like so, using my beauty blender to blend the foundation out and make it look flawless, if that makes sense. Using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight my under eye, my forehead, the bridge of my nose. Using the same beauty blender to blend those concealer out. Then I'm going to be using Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set everywhere I conceal in places. So after everything is set with the setting powder, I'm going to dust off the excess powder. But before that, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics 15 Contour Palette to chisel out my cheekbone. I want to contour in this video. So I'm going to use that to chisel out my cheekbone. Then I'm using my setting powder to highlight the contour so that it will pop out and be vibrant. So using my brush to dust off all the excess powder. Then I'm going for this contour palette, Usha Contour Powder Palette, to blend the contour. Using this glow kit, Anastasia glow kit. Right here I'm combining Anastasia glow kit and Milani baked bronzer to sparkle those areas. Can you feel the glow? Using my lip liner to outline my lip. And next, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty nude lipstick. I love this lipstick so much. It's beautiful and perfect. Using this classic Makeup USA Mist and Fix to set everything in places. I had to cover my eye because I don't want to mess up with my eyeshadow. They are all matte, so I don't need a setting spray on them. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you love this look, baby. It's beautiful, right? It's soft and beautiful. Before I let you go on this channel, I would like to drop this note with you guys. If God answer your call now and you make it in life, never look down on anybody because you don't know tomorrow. You are okay today, God blesses you today. Doesn't mean that is the end of the world for others. So be humble. Even if you have all the riches in the world, stay humble and let others benefit from your riches. So guys, this is the end of the video. If this video have been helpful for you guys, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I'll be in the comment section to reply all your comments. Subscribe to my channel, it's free guys. Let's catch fun here and let's learn something here. Till my next video guys, I will see you all very very soon. Stay beautiful, stay elegant, always. Bye guys.